Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make this soup right in front of you. Yes, Ofe Akwu, from start to finish. So at this point I have pre-cooked the palm fruits that I'll be using for the soup. It is soft enough. I would have to pour it into a mortar for easy extract. So guys, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, how about now? What are you waiting for? Wetin I go do for you? Kilo de kilo share me ya faru gini kamere. Please do subscribe. Give us that energy and strength to continue giving you videos, okay? And if you're a returning subscribers, I do appreciate. Thank you so much for your good gesture, for liking, commenting, and always sharing, and for always returning to this channel. We do appreciate. Thank you. So as you can see, I'm still extracting the oil. It's as easy as this. Yes. You can actually use this oil to make different dishes, but on today's video we'll be using it for Ofe Akwu banga soup. Yes. Hope you are still there. Stay tuned for the magic. As you can see, it is ready. The banga oil is ready. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for the Ofe Akwu. We have dry fish, we have intestine, we have crayfish, we have sliced onion, we have scent leaf. Yes, without scent leaf, I love using black pepper. We also have ogiri. Yes, ogiri, and that is all. So at this point I will have to introduce the intestine into the boiling banga. And I will add the sliced onion immediately so they can cook alongside. After which I will introduce the ogiri immediately. Then crayfish will follow suit. I'll be adding the dry fish now because the dry fish seem to be very hard and I will want it to soften. So that's why I'm adding it earlier. Dry pepper will follow suit, but at this point I'll be adding seasoning. But before I added the seasoning, I had to wait for the meat to be soft enough. Salt will also follow suit for taste. I will stir and allow it to continue cooking because the meat have to be very soft. Yes, but at this point the meat is soft enough, and nchwanwu, also known as scent leaf, will go into the pot. And we all know leaf is always the last ingredient in every soup. After 2 minutes it is good to go. As you can see, oil has overshadowed the stew and it is good to go. Just get your rice, get that thing you would want to use for this soup, and come over. And you know what? This soup is from all my subscribers and all my intended subscribers. Thank you.